Alta Baja Market celebrates the flavors, the makers of California, the American Southwest, and Mexico. We're a cafe, we do breakfast and lunch. We also have a number of just really interesting products from California, the American Southwest, and Mexico. But we're also a community space. We do a lot of events like wine tastings, food tours, art tours. Some of my favorite California products at Alta Baja Market are, I'm gonna be a little biased, but my husband's co-book, The People's Guide to Orange County. We actually do walking tours of this book here. Of course, Rancho Gordo. I love all of their products, and the fact that we host Encuentro is, one of the reasons why we love their products so much. Seca Hills, Native American winery, and they do olive oils and an amazing vinegar, elderberry vinegar. That's one of my favorite products. But that's just 3. I'm sure I can think of some more, but those are my top 3.